A warm welcome to you all, my dear students. In our previous class, we were solving some exercise problem under exercise 2.3. So we were in question number 4. So now we have to solve sub question D under fourth question. So under exercise 2.3, under fourth question. In the previous class itself, we have solved A, B, C sub question. Next we shall see D and E. So next sub question D, 4,275 into 125. So here also we have to use distributive property and you have to find out the final value. So here the given number is 4,275 into 125. So here also you have to apply distributive property and then find the value. So we should apply distributive property. So here they are given two whole numbers. So we have to convert this into A into B plus C form. So we have to convert this into A into B plus 4 because we have to find the value using distributive property. So we have to convert this into A into B plus C form. So if I split this 4,275 into, can I split this 125 as 100 plus 25? Yes, 125 can be written as 100 plus 25. So 125 can be written as 100 plus 25. So 4,275 I have written as it is, then into sign. Then in place of 125 I will be writing 100 plus 25. So now if I apply distributive property, first we have to multiply A into B, then plus, then A into C. So if I take distributive property here, if we apply distributive property here, first we have to multiply 4,275 into 100, then plus, then 4,275 to 25. So 4,275 into 1,000 into 100, into 100 plus 4,275 into 25. So here we have 4,275 into 100. What is 4,275 into 100? So here we have zeros at the end. So I have told you, when we have zeros at the end, we can straight away multiply. So we just count the number of zeros. So 1, 2. So we have 2 zeros. We have to start writing from right side. So we have 2 zeros. So we have written 2 zeros. Then 1 5s are 5. Then 1 7s are 7. Then 1 2s are 2. Then 1 2s are 4. So we got, yes, 4,27,500 plus. So here we are having 4,275 into 25. So here we are having 4,275 into 25. So in order to multiply this, it is a lengthy process. To find out the product of 4,275 into 25, it is a bit lengthy process. So we shall shift to some other method. Because this 4,275 into 25 is a lengthy process. So we shall shift to some other method. We shall try with some other method. Because it is hard to multiply this. Because it is a lengthy process. So instead of doing with this method, we shall learn one more method. I will teach you how. So what we will be doing is, we will be splitting this 4,275. We will be expanding this 4,275 first. So how to expand this 4,275? Yes. So 4 is in thousands place. So the value of this 4 is, yes, 4,000 plus. Here we have 2. So 2 is in hundreds place. So the value of 2 is 200. So 200 plus. We have 7. So 7 is in tens place. So the value of 7 is, yes, 70 plus. In the ones place we are having 5. So the value So I have expanded this 4275 as 4000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 5. So I can expand this form? Yes. So in the place of 4275, I will be writing, yes, I will be writing 4000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 5. So I have just placed a bracket here because we have expanded this 4275 as 4000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 5. Then we have into sign, remaining just 125. So now is this of distributive property form? Yes, this is of distributive property. So how can we say that? So can I change this order of this number? Yes. By learning commutative property, I have told you, if you change the order of the whole numbers and multiply, the obtained product remains same. So if I multiply 5 into 2, that is also 10. If I change the order, 2 into 5, that is also 10. So what I am doing? I will be interchanging the order of number. So first I will be writing 125, then I will be writing the whole bracket. So I am just changing the order of the number. So first I will write 125 into 4000 plus 200 plus 70 plus. So now is this in the form of distributive property? Yes. Here this is of the form distributive property. So if I consider 125 as A into, here I can consider this 4000 as B. We have a plus sign. I can consider this 200 as C. Then again we have a plus sign, so I can take as it is. Then in the place of 7, I will be writing D. Then we have a plus sign, so plus. Then we have 5. In the place of 5, A, B, C, D, E. So I will be writing E. So now this is of the form distributive property. So we shall consider 125 as A into 4000 as B plus 200 as C, 70 as D, 5 as E. So now this is of the form distributive property. So now this is of the form distributive property. So first I will be multiplying A into B, then plus A into C, then plus A into D, then plus A into E. So if I rewrite this expression, so first I should multiply 125 into 4000 plus 125 into 200 plus 125 into 70 plus 125 into 5. So I will be writing here. So first 125 should be multiplied by, yes, 125 into 4000, then plus sign, then again 125 into 200, so 125 into 200 plus 125 into 70, so 125 into 70, then plus sign, then 125 into 5, so 125 into 5. So first I have multiplied 125 into 4000 plus 125 into 200, then plus 125 into 70 plus 125 into 5. So what is the next step? Yes, we have to solve the brackets. So now we shall solve the brackets. So in the first bracket we are having 125 to 4000. So we should multiply that. So 4000 into 125. So 5 zeros are 0. So I will be placing 3 zeros. 5 zeros is 0. 5 zeros is 0. Again 5 zeros is 0. What is 5 fours are? Yes, 20. Then we should multiply with 2. So 2 zeros are 0. Again 2 zeros are 0. Again 2 zeros are 0. Then 2 fours are 8. Plus then 1 0 is a 0, then 1 0 is a 0, again 1 0 is a 0, then 1 4 is a 4. So now we shall add this. So 0, 0, 0, again 0 plus 0. So what is 2 plus 8? 10. So 0, 1 carry. Then what is 1 plus 4? 5. So we got? Yes. So I will be writing the value here. So when we multiply 125 into 4000, we got 5 lakhs. So we got 5 lakhs. Next, plus sign is there. So I will be writing plus in between. Then we have 125 to 200. So now we shall multiply 125 to 200. So 5 zeros are 5 zeros are, then 5 twos are 10. So 0 1. So again plus here. So next 2 zeros are 0. Again 2 zeros are 0. Then 2 twos are 4. Then plus plus. Then 1 zeros are 0. Again 1 zeros are 0. Then 1 twos are 2. So if we add 0, 0 plus 0 is again 0. Again 0 plus 0, 0. What is 1 plus 4? 5. Then 2. So we got 25,000. So when I multiply the second bracket, I got, yes, 25,000 as the product. So next I had a plus sign. So I have placed a plus sign. Next we have 125 to 70. So we shall multiply 125 into 70. So 125 into 70. So 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 1s are again 0. So plus, what is 7 5s are? 35. So 5, 3 carry. Then what is 7 2s are? 14, 14 plus 3, 17. So 7, 1 carry. Then what is 7 1s are? 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So we got 0. What is 0 plus 5? 5. Again 0 plus 7 is 7. Then we have 3. So we got 8,750. When we multiply the third bracket, that is 125 to 70, I got 8,750. So 8,750. Next, we have a plus sign. So I am placing plus sign now. Next, we have fourth bracket. In fourth bracket, we are having 125 to 5. So we have to multiply 125 to 5. So what is 5 5s are? Yes, 25. So 5 2 carry. Then what is 5 2s are? 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So 2 1 carry. Then 5 1s are 5. So 5 plus 1, 6. Yes, we got 625 as the answer. So what we have done here, we have just solved the brackets. So first it was 125 into 4000, we got 5 lakhs, plus 125 into 200, we got 25,000, plus 125 into 70, we got 8,750, then 125 into 5, we got 165. So what is the next step? Yes, so we have plus sign in between these numbers, so we have to add those numbers. So we should start adding these numbers. So we have 5 lakh plus, yes, 25,000 plus 8,750 plus 625. Since we have plus sign in between, we are going to add all these numbers. So 5 lakh plus 25,000 plus 8,750 plus 625. So what is 0 plus 5? Yes, 5. Then what is 5 plus 2? 7. Then what what is 7 plus 6? Yes, 7 plus 6 is 13. So 3, 1 carry. Then what is 8 plus 5? Yes, 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So 4, 1 carry. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 5. So we got, yes, 5,34,375 as the final value. Yes, we got the final value as 3,34,375. So 5,34,375 is the final value. So what we have done? We have, yes, we have expanded this number, that is 4,275 as 4,000 plus 270 plus 5. Then into sign 125. So by commutative property, if we change the order of the number, the product remains same. So just change the order. So first I wrote 125, then I wrote whole bracket. So then I have multiplied 125 to 4,000 plus 125 to 200 plus 125 to 70 plus 125 to 5. What is the next step? Yes, we have solved the bracket. So 125 to 4,000, I got, yes, 5 lakhs plus 125 to 200, I got 25,000. Then plus sign in between, then 125 to 70, I got 8,750. Then plus 125 to 5, I got 625. So when I added all these numbers, I got 5,34,375 as the final value. Children, if you are still confused, you can replay the video and you can learn again. Okay, and the fourth question, we have one more left out, that is sub question E. That is 504 into 35. So now here also you have to apply, yes, here also you have to apply distributive property. So if I apply distributive property, how can I apply distributive property for this question? Yes, here I can split this 504 as 500 plus 4. So can I split this 504 as 500 plus 4? Yes. So 500 plus 4 is nothing but 504. So in the case of 504, you can write, yes, 500 plus 4 into sign 35. So by commutative property, I can change the order, right? If you change the order also, the product remains same. So first I'll write 35 into, I'll write the whole bracket, that is 500 plus 4. So now this is of the form A into B plus C. So now this is of the form A into B plus C. So now I can apply, yes. So I can apply distributive property here. So if I apply distributive property, first I have to multiply 35 into 500 plus 35 into 4. So first 35 into 500, then plus sign, then 35 into 4. So 35 into 4. So what is the next step? Yes, we have to solve the bracket. So inside the bracket, first bracket we have it, yes, 35 to 500. So 5 zeros are 0, again 5 zeros are 0. What is 5 5s are? Yes, 25. So 5, 2, then 1 zeros are 0, again 1 0, sorry, 3 zeros are 0, again 3 zeros are 0, then 3 5s are 15. So 5, 1. So now 0, what is 0 plus 0? 0. What is 5 plus 0? plus 5, 7, then 1. So we got 17,500. So when 35 is multiplied by 500, the product obtained is, yes, 17,500. Then we have plus sign. Next we have, yes, 35 into 4. So 35 into 4. So what is 4 5s are? Yes, 20. So 0 to carry. Then what is 4 3s are? 12. 12 is 2. Yes, 14. So yeah. So we got, yes. So 35 and 35 is multiplied by 4. We got 1 4. What is the next step? Yes, we have plus sign in between. So we have to add. So when we add 17,500 plus 140. So in the ones place we are adding 0. So 0. What is 4 plus 0? 4. What is 1 plus 5? 6. Then 7, 1. So we got 17,640. You can add with the common method also, that is 17,500 plus 140. So 0 plus 0, 0. What is 0 plus 4? 4. What is 1 plus 5? 6, 7, 1. So we got, yes, 17,640 as the value. So the obtained value is 17,640. So now we are done with the fourth question. So next question is, we have to study the pattern. We should see that. So look into the fifth sum and just study the pattern they have given. Yes, we should solve that. Study the pattern. Fifth question. Study the pattern. So they have given few expressions. We should write that. So 1 into 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. Then 12 into 8 plus 2 is equals to 98. Then 123 into 8 plus 3 is equals to 987. Next 1234 into 8 plus 4 is equals to 9,876. Next they have given 12,345 into 8 plus 5 is equal to 98,765. So they have given few equations. We have to see the equation and we have to state the pattern. So just compare each expressions. So just compare one by one. So here it is 1. So here it is 12. Here it is 123. Here it is 1,234. Here it is 12,345. So just compare the first whole number in each case. So here it is 1. It is 1 plus 1 2. So here they have written 2. Next 1 2 is written as it is. They have written the next successive number, that is 3 here. Next they have given 1 2 3. They have written as it is. They have written next number, that is 4. So here 1 2 3 4 as written as it is. Next they have written the successive number of 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So they have written. So they are just writing the next successive number. So here you have to study the pattern and you have to write next two equations. So here it is 12,345. What is the next number? Yes, so we have to add here, we have to add 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So I will be writing 5 plus 1. So what is 5 plus 1? 6. Okay. Next. What is the next number of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as it is. What is the successor of 6? Yes, 6 plus 1 is 7. Then in each case into sign is there. So you write multiplication sign. So in each case into sign is there. So we have written multiplication sign in these two equations. Now if you see the second whole number, in each of the cases it is 8. Yes. So in each cases the number is 8. So again we are writing 8. Then in each case we are having plus. So plus. Then 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. What is 5 plus 1? So 6. What is 6 plus 1? 7. Then we have equal sign in each case. So we will be writing equal in these two. Next, they are writing 9. So they have written 9. In the next case, it is 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8. In the next case, 9 is written as it is. Next, 8 minus 1, 7. They have added 7 here. They have written 7 next to that number. Next, 897 is written as it is. But here they have subtracted 7 minus 1. So it is 6. So they have written 6. Next, 9, 8, 7, 6 is written as it is. Next, 6 minus 1? Yes, 5. So they have written that. Next, what should be the next number? Yes, we have to write 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 as it is. One more number should be written here. One more digit should be written here. Which is that? Yes, 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. What about the last